Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coins and Stamps to Watch. Now we have another unboxing here, and honestly I don't know what's inside. so I rolled this one because use my name and address, and it's a personal information. Yeah, so I don't know what's inside. Actually, I received it just this afternoon. Even bought it at work, and almost forgot about it till I remember it, and now I have time to unbox it for you. So we'll see what it is. I bought a few things, a few collectibles recently, coins and uh, s- banknotes alike, and we'll see what's inside. So it's properly wrapped. So by the way, I hope you're all doing good. Uh, now I don't think COVID is going on around nowadays. There, well, if you have vaccine, I guess you'll be all right. And yeah, oh, it's almost done. What's this? Very hard to open. So yep. Oh wow. Okay. All right. What's this one? Yep. Oh okay. Oh what? Okay. It's a personal note. if I'm interested in more things. So okay, we'll look at this one. This is yeah, what I've been waiting for. So as we can see, it's 100 pesos, and it's an old one. It's actually like an emergency currency from the Philippines on or from the year of the World War II, which I see. Oh yes, I see the date. So it's 1943. The series of 1943, 100 pesos. And back then, 100 pesos is a big money. Yeah, it's a big money. You can buy lots of things with 100 pesos. And this is from the World War II era. And it is, like I said, it's an emergency currency, or a banknote. And we can see what is this? Treasury Emergency Currency Certificate number 14705, or 14,705. As far as I know, they made around 200. No, not 200. Sorry, 20,965 of this coin. They printed just that many, and it have a serial number like the one on top here. And these are like a provincial one, provincial. Some of them for provincial use only. And I see this one is from Negros. It says Negros Emergency Currency Board. So Negros is a province in the Philippines. Negros Oriental, Negros Occidental. I think it's from the southern part. Southern part. So it says 100 pesos issued by authority of the President of the Philippines. This certifies that the Commonwealth of the Philippines will redeem the certificate at face value upon termination of the emergency. So a series of 1943, and we can see the seal here. Commonwealth of the Philippines, United States of America. And See the value and the number again, the serial number. And it also have an A2 here. It says A1 and A2 have you can see here it's either A1 or A2 and with no particular order. That is for the number serial number 1 up to 15,100, and you can see in this case it's 14,705, the number of this banknote. Very nice. And we can also see the signatures. So I can't read this one. Who's the acting treasurer here? And this one is Alfredo Montelibano. It's the governor or chairman. And this is I don't know, B Benedicto, provincial auditor member. So says payable on the beer on demand in silver pesos or in legal tender currency of the Philippines, Negros Emergency Currency Board. Very old one. And see on the reverse side, 100 pesos, 100 Philippine pesos, and then the counter signature of Alfredo Montelibano and the letter C. Still in very good condition. So watch out for a few more of these. I have a few more of these coming. Well, also a few coins as well. So we'll see what's gonna be unboxed next. So see, the dimension of this is 142.41 by 67.99 millimeters, as I see on the numismatic Philippines. So yeah, I hope you like this one. It's part of history from the World War II era, and yes, this is the emergency currency that's used back then. So I hope you do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings and see my playlist for more coins and stamps videos and even my travel blogs. So thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.